Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Parakeet Bird Bath is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for your feathered friend's well-being, providing not just a fun splash time but also crucial opportunities for hygiene and mental stimulation, ensuring your tiny companion stays happy, healthy, and vibrant, making it a truly valuable addition to any parakeet's habitat for their daily routine and overall happiness. Number 5. JW Pet Insight Bird Bath. Give your feathered friend a refreshing and enjoyable experience. This accessory promotes cleanliness and provides a stimulating environment for them. Setting it up is a breeze. You can quickly attach it to your bird's cage without any hassle. It's designed to fit perfectly in small and medium-sized bird cages. Ensure your pet has ample space to splash and play. Please note, this bath is not suitable for cages with round or curved walls. It's best used with flat-sided enclosures for secure attachment. This bird bath is perfect for parakeets and other birds of similar size. They will love having their own dedicated spot for bathing. What we like? This bird bath offers a simple, healthy way for your parakeet to stay clean and active. Its convenient design makes installation a breeze, fitting perfectly into most small to medium cages. If you are looking for an effortless way to promote your bird's well-being, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Small metal bird bath for outdoors. This beautifully simple and vintage design is the perfect addition to any outdoor space. Its ingenious size helps you welcome more feathered friends to your garden. Crafted from high-quality metal with a protective coating, it's designed for exceptional durability. This rust-resistant construction ensures a longer lifespan compared to other materials. Keeping it pristine is simple and quick. Just use a damp towel to wipe down the bowl every half-month to prevent moss growth. Enjoy its multifunctional design all year round. Use it as a bird feeder, or enhance your garden's ambience with a solar fountain or LED floating candles. Setting it up is a breeze, requiring no tools at all. Simply screw all the parts together, and it even includes gaskets to protect the bowl's bottom. It makes a thoughtful present for nature lovers, bird watchers, and animal enthusiasts. Celebrate special occasions like Mother's Day, birthdays, or housewarmings with this charming item. What we like? Crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant metal, this outdoor bird bath is built to last through all seasons. Its elegant design adds a charming vintage touch to any garden, attracting feathered friends to your yard. If you want a durable, low-maintenance outdoor feature that enhances your garden's aesthetic, this is the perfect pick. What people say. Number 3. Topeakmart Large Flight Bird Cage with Rolling Stand. This extra-large cage is specifically designed to comfortably house multiple small to medium-sized birds. It provides ample space for lovebirds, cockatoos, kanas, cockatiels, and parakeets to thrive. Constructed from robust powder-coated metal, it boasts high strength and durability. The hammered paint finish offers enhanced water and scratch resistance, ensuring a secure and comfortable abode for your feathered friends. 2 large doors make cleaning a breeze. The pull-out tray can be easily removed and cleaned with water, while a metal grate separates the birds from the tray, maintaining hygiene. An additional open shelf enhances its practicality and functionality. This offers extra handy storage space for cleaning tools, bird toys, and seeds, keeping everything organized. With the help of its 4 360-degree industrial casters, it can effortlessly glide across different locations. You can easily reposition it wherever you need. What we like? This extra-large bird cage provides ample space, ideal for housing multiple small to medium-sized birds comfortably. Its robust construction and rolling stand allow for easy relocation and a secure environment. If you have several birds and need a spacious, movable home that's also easy to clean, this cage is an excellent investment. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as the source was empty. Number 2. Pet Bird Bath and Feeder with 3 balls. Introducing the ultimate bathing solution for your feathered friends. This value pack includes a durable bird bath tub, essential screw fittings, and 3 fun play balls. It's the perfect gift for any bird enthusiast. Crafted from premium, quality plastic, this bath basin is both safe and sturdy for your beloved pets. It's ideally sized for small birds like parrots, budgies, finches, and many more, ensuring their comfort and safety. Encourage a healthy bathing routine for your birds. Regular baths help clean their feathers, remove parasites, and keep their skin moisturized. It also aids in heat dissipation, keeping them comfortable and happy. Installation is a breeze, taking less than a minute with its simple wing nut design. Just hook it to the cage door, and when bath time is over, easily remove it for cleaning. Its stable design prevents messes. This versatile accessory isn't just for bathing, it also doubles as a convenient food feeder holder. Using it for both purposes can strengthen the bond with your cherished pet, offering them a comfortable space to eat, rest, or play. What we like. This value pack includes a practical bird bath and 3 fun play balls, offering both hygiene and entertainment. It promotes healthy bathing habits, helping your bird maintain clean feathers and moisturized skin. If you want an all-in-one solution to keep your feathered friend happy, healthy, and engaged, this set is perfect. What people say. Number 1. Bird bath box for small caged birds. This bird bath comes with a protective cover, effectively preventing water and food from splashing out. It helps keep your bird's cage clean and hygienic, making it a thoughtful gift for any bird owner. Crafted from high-quality, safe plastic, this bath is both sturdy and easy to maintain. You can effortlessly remove and wash it, ensuring a clean and enjoyable bathing experience for your feathered friend. Designed for all cage types, it features a single large nut for quick and stable installation in just a minute. Beyond bathing, it also serves as a convenient food and water feeder or a comfortable standing platform. Regular use is beneficial for your bird's overall health. It helps clear feather dust and parasites, aids in self-cleaning, and even moisturizes their skin while assisting with heat dissipation. Its calming blue color evokes a sense of freedom, making it a perfect addition to any small bird's home. It's ideal for various small breeds, including parakeets, cockatiels, and budgies. What we like. Featuring a protective cover, this bird bath effectively prevents water and food from splashing out, keeping the cage area clean. Its simple screw fitting ensures quick and stable installation on various cage types, making bath time hassle-free. If you prioritize a tidy cage and an easy-to-use bath that promotes your bird's well-being, this is an ideal choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points about the Parakeet Bird Bath can be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.